love lights. Lights are awesome. So for review today, lights. RGBIC LED strip lights from Govee, or is it Govee? These are 16.4 feet long, and they come packaged like this, with a whole bunch of extra stuff. So one thing I did wrong right away. I plugged this in, plugged it into an outlet, and I'm like, ooh, wow, look at the pretty lights. Apparently you're not supposed to turn it on while it's all like this. You're supposed to take it off the wheel and then turn it on. It gets pretty hot when it's all in a bundle like this. So here it is up close. And on the back is the tape. So you just peel it and stick it, but it doesn't stick to any surface. It has to be pretty smooth, because if it's not, like in my movie theater, there's carpeting on this platform, I'd have to use these doodads and like screw and clamp it down. And the lights, they're remote controlled. This little tab comes out once you're ready to use it. There's also this switch, but the switch doesn't have as many different functions as the controller. There's a manual and a whole bunch of different languages. Not that you're gonna need it, this stuff's pretty simple. There's also this little card. They want you to post on Amazon that you love the product. And there's also these little alcohol wipes, because for any smooth surface this is gonna go on, this is gonna stick to, you gotta wipe it down first. Make sure it's super clean. Oops. That's warm. So yeah, don't shove them into a bottle. You're not really supposed to bend them that much, especially where the little light is, but I did for science. Yeah, the old lights on a clapper. Kind of like it. I'm gonna install one right under here because it's kind of a dark corner. So first, I'm gonna wipe with alcohol. It's like a little alcohol pad that was in the box. So everywhere I'm gonna stick it to, I'm gonna wipe it down. And it doesn't go on every surface. It has to be a pretty smooth surface. I unplugged it, and now I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna give it a shot and hope it works. Right down the center. If you wanna keep it all one piece, for corners, you kinda have to do like this thing. Here's what I'm trying to say. Oh, here's hoping it still works. Yay! Stick the strip light and press it over about 10 to 15 seconds. Like, per area? Or do I just remove all the tape, stick it up there, and just kind of... Maybe it's per area. Maybe I should do this in like little sections. Yeah. Easy peasy! Ooh la la. Oh, ooh la 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 la. It's not gonna be a dark corner anymore. It's gonna be so bright and beautiful. Oh, I hope it lasts. So then this guy right here, I'm gonna have to mount this like over here so I can have a little switch, because these right here, these are switches. Brightness, color, and power. So then that's got some more tape. Actually, should I have it the other way? No, I need it up. I did put it in upside down for a reason, because I need that little doodad, the little sensor, to be sticking up above this thing. Otherwise, sometimes I've noticed it doesn't really pick up. The sensor has to be showing. And I'm gonna be using the remote most of the time, because with the Switch, I can't do any of the modes. And I like the modes. That's pretty neat. So, yeah, that's why I did it like that. But it should be the other way around. Talk about brightening up your dark corner, huh? That'll work. That'll definitely work. Ooh, this one's fun too. Look at that. Looks like there's shadow people in the background. These pants are fuddy-duddy looking kinda, aren't they? Whatever. I got them on eBay for $20 and they're comfortable. There's this. This one's neat. Ooh, that's so cool. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go hang out with the ghost behind the wall. It looks like a fun time back there. And that's it. Cheesy outro time. Toodaloo-lee-loo. Bye! I can't